Welcome to your Be Happy morning meditation. We are going to have a very happy day. Get yourself comfortable. Whether you're lying down, hands by your side, or maybe sitting cross-legged, start to take deep breaths. Just feel the tension melting away, feel lightness. Put a little smile on your face. It's going to be an awesome day. Today is such a good day. Another day we get to be alive. Another day here. Another day to be the best you can be. Visualize the person you know you're meant to be. What do they look like? What do they act like? How do they respond to tough situations? What choices do they make? Happiness is a choice that we make. We decide which emotion we're going to give permission to dominate our day. Let's choose the good emotions that we know are going to make us feel good. Let's choose peace, joy. Let's choose happiness. I want you to feel a lightness throughout your body, an energy of white, a ball of joy all around you, a ball of peace. There's so much love surrounding you. So much lightness, contentment. Life is good. Today is going to be a great day. Let's think of some situations today that might make us feel less than happy. You get client emails or boss emails that normally might kind of make you cringe. Change your attitude. Look at them with gratitude, excitement. Be thankful for your job. Be thankful for your opportunities. Give thanks to every email, encounter, even the bad ones. That's their problem, not yours. Just keep shining your light. Are your kids driving you crazy? One day they won't want you around as much. Cherish these moments. Lighten up, let it go. Get on the ground, play with them. Show them you aren't all business and to-dos. Is money stressing you out? Think about it. you've made it this far. All the worrying and stress you put upon yourself doesn't help anything. You will be okay. The universe is supporting you. The universe is abundant. You will make it. You will always be taken care of. Feel peace with your finances. You're safe. You're secure. Give thanks for the things that you do have. What do you have in your life that's so amazing? There are so many things. I want you to walk through this day and think of all those situations that could stress you out. Think about how you are going to rise above. You are going to handle every situation with peace, love, gratitude, joy. You are going to be the person you know you are meant to be. You're going to move your body, exercise, get those endorphins flowing. Eat the nutritious foods that you know will fuel your body. Look for situations to lighten someone else's day. Hold the door open. Smile. Ask someone how they're doing, and really listen. Be that person who enters the room and people can feel your positive presence. You know, on this day, someone is taking their last breath. One day too, that will be us. Do not take these moments for granted. Live for today. I want you to think about the you that you are meant to be, the you that is there, the fierce, light, beautiful, amazing you. There is no one like you. You are here to make your mark on this world. You know what you need to do. Now I want you to smile as big and crazy as you can. Feel the light and the joy going through your body. You're going to keep on smiling. Now open your eyes. Don't stop smiling. Look around. You got this. Shine your light. You are one of a kind, incredible. Thank you so much for joining this Be Happy meditation. Peace and blessings.